Good morning, my dear panelists. I am Aljan B. Angko, applying for Teacher 1 position in DepEd. Today, I am going to show to you my skill demonstration about making an Ethernet network cable with the use of RJ45. This is in connection to my INSITO, which is Computer System Servicing. But before we proceed to my proper demonstration, I will show to you an example about an Ethernet cable. So here is the example of Ethernet cable. As you can see, it looks familiar, no? The use of this Ethernet cable is to have a direct access of internet to your computer. At the same time, you can control the distribution of internet to your computer and to the other one. Okay? So, without further, by the way, this is the cable that we're going to do right now. Okay? So, without further ado, take a closer look here. So these are the materials that we need in making an Ethernet network cable. So I will introduce first to you the RG45. As you can see, it consists 8 pins. No? We have this cable wire. As you can see, it consists 8 wires in various colors. No? We have also this crimp tool. So here is the cutting purposes. And here is you will insert the RG45 together with the cable. No? And you will press here. Next is the scissor for cutting purposes. And the tester, of course. So after you make your Ethernet cable, then by the use of tester, you are able to know if it's functional or it works. Okay? Now let's start. So we have here the cable wire, and all we have to do upon arranging the colors, we need to follow the 56-8B standard. So we need to first white orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. So again, we need to follow the standard so that to know, no, not to know, but to have a functional output. So we have this white orange, we have this white green, we have this blue, no? Blue, then white, blue, green, brown, white, brown, and brown. Okay. So here. So in order for you to avoid this arrangement of colors, the technique here is to press here tightly as much as possible, no? And since there is to have an equal length of the wires, we will use the cutter here to have an even or to have a fair length. So here. Okay, as you can see now we will use the RG45 and make it sure that the edge of the wire will be at the edge also of the pin. No? So we will insert here. As you can see, we'll push it, and by the use of a crimp tool, no. So we will insert the wire together with the RG45. So here. We will press it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so done, no? So let's try to pull it. No. Okay, so let's try to test it if it's work. Okay, now here is the tester, and let's on the tester and try to, as you can see, there is a light, and let's test it if it's work. So as you can see, there are lights appear from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that simply means that our work is functional. Okay? So I think that's all. And thank you. God bless.